Welcome to the robot factory, shiny bright. Whirring gears and blinking lights. Doors go clang, machines go whir. A magic tech world ready, sure. Time to travel, zoom and fly through robot worlds up in the sky. Beep, beep, whip, whip. Hear them say, friendly robots lead the way. Red and blue lights flash so fast. Robots working, having a blast. Turning screws and fixing parts, built with brains and happy hearts. Big machines go tick-tock tick. Gears spin round, smooth and quick. Kids watch wide with eyes so bright. Learning science feels just right. Robots dance and robots play. Clang, clang music all the way. Metal feet go tap, tap, tap. Robot party, clap and clap. Buttons glow and screens say hi. Robots help as we pass by. Learning tech is fun, you see. Smart and kind is how we'll be. Robot factory, what a day. We learned and laughed along the way. Wave goodbye, it's time to go. Zoom and fly. Next stop to know. Thank you, kids. Enjoy Tiny Tales Adventures with Chanda.